Hello, welcome. I'm Filipe Leitão. I'm composer, music producer, and professor at Virginia Commonwealth University. If you came to this video is part of a sequence of videos where I show how to build an orchestral track using only virtual instruments. So check the playlist here. I'm gonna show from the very beginning, from just a simple track with just melody and harmony until a full orchestra. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to receive notifications. So let's go. I'm gonna bring up percussion now. Let's check that. Maybe I can make that work. And then, I'm not sure if that's gonna fit well with it. Maybe I can have another layer just to do exactly the same rhythm as I have here on the tenor and bass trombone. If I listen to this. Not only velocity, but also choosing different samples, right? Let's see how that works with the brasses. Let's see how that combines, or if that works well with the other one. Let's see how that works together with that other two percussion. And let's check everybody together. So what I usually do also, since you have the melody with piccolo, flute, even oboe during the melody here, I'm gonna reinforce the melody here with oboe. Yeah, I'm gonna make oboe also play melody here. I'm gonna make the violin play something different. Okay, so I'm thinking about, of course, relate to the harmony. Maybe keep that. And then go to. Let's see how that's gonna work. Let me check that. Let's check in the context. I think what could be also nice is have some kind of like a cymbal swell. Yeah, and then we're gonna do the same here to the end. How about the timpani? I'm bringing a timpani from Discover. Yeah, timpani. Oh, bassoon. Bassoon can really reinforce that low end. So I'm gonna start the bassoon here based on that clarinet voice. I'm gonna. Okay, let me see. We're not going to necessarily like listen, oh, that's a bassoon, but that's gonna also feel the harmony. Check, just woodwinds. One thing really important is work with expression and volume automation. Let me start refining that with expression. So if I move that, that's gonna make it like a good difference. And we're gonna just take the automation of modulation. So again, all that long notes, they should not be exactly have the same dynamic basically. So have a crescendo, decrescendo. You see how that starts to sound different? Ideally, you should do that for everything. And then, of course, like listen to the context. Let's have a crescendo here instead. Then when I bring in the contrabass also, with that idea, we're going to really feel that orchestral. So I'm going to create some arcs, right? Oh, of course I need to solo. So it's not anymore flat, right? I have a crescendo here. So that's really, really important to make your orchestral mocap sound good. Let's also work here on the violin. And I can also exaggerate that with volume, right? But the expression, that modulation really kind of like is sample based, so it's slightly change the timbre. Another thing that's gonna make that sound much more real is have some rubatos. So if I create a couple of like ralentandos here, I think that's gonna have some breath, and that's gonna sound more like a conductor conducting that. I'm missing some row. We don't have the row on the BBC Discover. But just to keep the idea of using BBC, I'm gonna load here the core and then bring some timpani row or bass drum row. Okay, I'm gonna use that. Check what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna also automate the modulation, and that's gonna make a crescendo with that. Let me use also timpani from core, where we can also have a row. So it's really important when you use sample libraries, you select the right, let's say the right patch, the right articulation you want. Because if you use the hit and then you do this, that's not going to sound like a row, because the row was recorded as a row, right? So that's much better if you have a sample of a row. So I'm gonna make that A. And also crescendo. Maybe attack, the crescendo, and then crescendo. Let me see. How about that? I'm missing a contrabassoon, so bassoon, contrabassoon, doing sound sustain. I need to add some reverb because that's too dry comparing with the other instruments. Now that's gonna really reinforce my low register. And let me move that to the woodwind stack. Let me check that with just woodwind. See how the bassoon brings that, fills that low space. Let's check from here. Of course, we can do a lot of other things, especially automation with expression and automation with volume. We still need to do that for sure. but at least, I mean, I created that full orchestration, and you got some idea so far how to go forward, right? Maybe I'm gonna bring the cello only here. So let's check. Of course, I could spend more 2-3 hours here, refine, and then maybe think about some of that voices, create a different rhythm. But I'd say the overall concept is here, and that's what I was planning to show you today. I hope this video helped you how to understand the process of orchestrating using only virtual instruments. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm always here to bring original and new, helpful content on music production, media orchestration, and film scoring. See you in the next video.